Paraiso. Ganyan daw mailalarawan ang Pilipinas dahil sa ganda ng mga tanawin dito. Kaya naman, binabalik-balikan talaga ng mga turista. Pero hindi lamang mga nagagandahang beaches at waterfalls ang ipinagmamalaki ng ating bansa. Nandyan din ang napakaraming mga lawa. Gaya ng Laguna de Bay, Taal Lake, Lake Cebu at Lanao Lake.
Ngayong araw, kumustahin natin ang isa sa oldest surviving lakes in the world, ang Lake Lanao. Kasama si Dr. Fema M. Abamo, our expert of the day from Mindanao State University. Dito lang sa ExperTalk Online.
Ang Lanao Lake ay isa sa 17 ancient lakes sa mundo. Tinatayang nasa 10 million years old na daw ang lawang ito ayon sa World Lake Database. Ito rin ang ikalawa sa pinakamalaking lawa sa buong Pilipinas. Sa lawang ito nagmumula ang halos 70% ng kanilang electricity supply sa Mindanao. Ito rin ay nagsisilbing pinagkukunan ng kanilang tubig at pagkain, kabuhayan at transportasyon. Parte rin ito ng kanilang kultura at tradisyon, lalo na ng mga katutubong Maranao. Ngunit sa paglipas ng panahon, kamusta na kaya ang lawa?
There were reports na nagkakaroon po ng fish kills, pero one time lang po yun nangyayari. And then, there were reports na the lake daw is deteriorating because of the increasing population and human activities around Lake Lanao. And also, alarmingly kasi, before, meron po kaming 18 na endemic cyprinid fishes. But recently, 2 na lang po ang nakikita being observed in the lake. And the worst thing pa, itong 2 fish species na to which are endemic, they are also considered now as endangered.
Dahil sa mga bantang ito sa lawa, inumpisahan ng National Research of the Philippines sa pakikipagtulungan sa Mindanao State University ang programang Comprehensive Studies on Lake Lanao for Sustainable Development. Bahagi nito ang pag-aaral na isinagawa ni na Dr. Fema Abamo upang matukoy ang kalinisan ng lawa.
Pero ano yung naging parameter ninyo, ma'am, o sukatan na ginagamit ninyo para matukoy yung kalinisan doon po sa Lake Lanao?
Ito naman sa akin ay made use of ciliates as bioindicators of organic pollution instead na po yung traditional na chemical analysis. Ang ginamit ko this time is an organism or are organisms that are referred to as protozoan ciliates.
Ang ciliates ay kumakain ng bakterya na matatagpuan sa mga nabubulok na hayop o halaman sa lawa.
Organic pollution kasi, ito yung mga dead remains or decaying organic matter. Kapag organic matter, it pertains to plants or animals, decaying algae, ganon. So, any organic matter that would undergo decay, kakainin niya ng bacteria, and in turn, itong bacteria kinakain ng ciliates. So, kapag may maraming organic matter decaying, ibig sabihin, dumadami din po yung mga bacteria natin. Kapag dumadami ang bacteria, masasaya ngayon si ciliates kasi pagkain nila yun. Kaya ito yung positive reason or yung parang domino effect. Kapag may organic pollution, pag nag-decay po yun, of course, we will supply the massive growth of the bacteria, and then the bacteria, in turn, pagkain sila ng ciliates, kaya bigla din tataas ang population ng ciliates. Kaya yun po yung dahilan kung bakit naging indicator sila of organic pollution.
Okay, so yung pag-aaral ninyo, yung pagmamonitor or study ninyo doon mismo sa Lake Lanao, gaano kadalas, ma'am? Kumukuha kayo ng sample? I think, halimbawa, itong taon na to, anong season kayo kukuha? Kasi halimbawa, kung tag-ulan naman, baka apektado din yung lawa, di ba, ma'am?
So what we did in Lake Lanao, we collected water samples from different sites across seasons for 2 years. We also collected from the littoral and pelagic zones, the shallower and the deeper portions of the lake respectively. And of course, the volume of the water that we collected were measured. And from the samples, we counted the ciliates. And then we calculated the abundance. Cells per ml. Originally, cells per cubic meter, and then we converted that into cells per ml.
Matapos ang masusing pag-aaral ng team ni na Dr. Fema, ano kaya ang naging resulta?
Sa unang taon po, we did inventory of silates around Lake Lanao. And so far, we were able to identify 52 morphologically distinct silage species. And for year 2 and year 3, doon na po kami nakatutok sa water quality monitoring of Lake Lanao, making use of silate abundance as indicator of organic pollution. Now, based on sa nakuha naming data across sites from Marawi, Ramain, Abalindong, Taraka, and Binidayan, and across seasons from non-mixing to mixing, from rainy to dry season, and from shallower littoral zone to deeper pelagic zone. Sa lahat po ng ito, the abundance of silates fall below the ultra oligotrophic category of the lake. Ibig sabihin nun na yung lake po natin is not organically polluted, it's still healthy, and well, it's still clean.
At ang kanilang resulta, napatunayan din ng isa pang pag-aaral na isinagawa sa lawa.
Now, the result of our study was actually corroborated by another project under the same program. Kasi isang program po ito, no? The title of the program is A Comprehensive Studies on Lake Lanao for Sustainable Development. Isang project component doon under kina Dr. Hansel. They did physicochemical characterization of a Lake Lanao. Now, based po doon sa result ng kanilang study, they were able to gather the same result as we had, that the lake still classified as having good, healthy, and having good water quality.
Ngayong napatunayang nananatiling malinis ang tubig sa lawa ng Lanao matapos ang ilang milyong taon. Ang hamon naman ay kung paano mapananatili ang kalinisan nito.
So, ma'am, ano yung mga recommendation ninyo para talaga mapanatili pa yung kalinisan sa Lake Lanao?
Based on sa results ng ating study, we made recommendations to the local government units, to the provincial government, even to the DE in our barm. And these are part of our recommendations. One is to review whatever existing policies, mga ordinances, regarding Lake Lanao management and its conservation. After reviewing, na-implement po ba ito? And then if there are gaps, sana gagawa ng panibago or dagdagan, strengthen. This time, sana po stricter. For instance, we will impose penalty to those who would be throwing garbage into the lake, or for those households na yung kanila pong toilets is open toilet or hindi just directly flushing their toilets into the lakes, things like that. Or part din ng aming recommendation is i-regulate and then i-check po yung mga residential and business establishment. Are they constructed in a certain distance, a healthy distance from the lake? Kasi I believe na meron pong nakaset na distance na pwede po tayong magpapatayo ng any establishment. And then itong establishment ba na to, meron po ba silang sewerage system, and then yung mga wastewater po nila, meron po bang kaukulang treatment, part po yan sa recommendation natin. And meron din kaming na-recommend na sana the local leaders would create yung lake tanod or kaya lake police or bantay lawa. Isa din sa recommendation namin na sana i-allow kami ng mga local government units, no, to have a massive, or not massive, but regular extension activities around the municipalities of Lanao del Sur, to share to them what we know of how to take care of our Lake Lanao, paano po natin sila mapangalagaan, ano po at ang dapat gagawin so that we can conserve, we can maintain the good quality of the lake. And also, part sa recommendation namin is sana po sa DepEd, isasali na po nila dun sa curriculum nila yun po conservation of natural resources so that yung mga kabataan ngayon, young as they are, may awareness na po sila, matuto na po silang i-value yung ating mga natural resources, inculcate sa kanila yung stewardship of what the nature has endowed or given unto us.
Alright, ma'am. Baka meron pa po kayong mensahe doon sa ating mga taga-subaybay. Nasa inyo pong pagkakataon, ma'am.
I would like to take this opportunity to thank DUSTV for inviting me to share the results of our study. And of course, in our CP for funding our research program. And for our MSU System President, Dr. Habib Watamama Makaayong, for his all-out support to our research undertakings. And of course, to MSU IIT Chancellor Dr. Tanggol, who served as the program leader of comprehensive studies on Lake Lanao for sustainable development. And for my research team, si Professor Kamar Ameril and Professor Abaton, Professor Cyrilla Disuma, and of course, yung mga student assistants po natin. And of course, to my biology and CNSM family and USRTC family, salamat. Of course, pamilya ko po na palaging nandiyan lang sa likod ko, pushing me to do and achieve higher things. And of course, to our Almighty God who make all things possible. So, doon po sa mga educators katulad ko, sana po, let's do it together. Let's do massive extension activities to the municipalities of Lake Lanao, educating them, telling them how important is the natural resources like Lake Lanao at paano po natin mapapangalagaan ito. Tuturuan po natin sila and let's do it. Tayo po na nasa MSU Marawi, tayo po yung nakakaalam kung ano ang dapat gagawin. So let's start the change from ourselves and let's extend it to our direct communities po. And then sa mga researchers po natin from MSU Marawi, I'm urging you, please submit pa po kayo ng maraming proposals regarding Lake Lanao kasi nagtatawag na naman po ulit ang NRCP for another proposals for the phase 2 of this program. And then sa lahat po, hindi lang sa taga MSU, hindi lang po sa taga Mindanao, hindi lang po sa taga Lanao del Sur, to all who are lovers of our natural resources, meron po tayong responsibilidad. Kung ano po yung pwede nating ma-offer, maitulong sa ating kalikasan, let's do it. And let's start it with our own backyard. Thank you po.
Thank you so much, Dr. Fema. Maraming salamat sa lahat ng mga magagandang balita na naibahagi mo po sa amin. And good luck po sa mga pagpapatuloy pa ng ginagawa ninyong pag-aaral dito sa Lake Lanao. Thank you so much, Dr. Fema M. Abamo.
Thank you din po, Miss Jel.
Ang Lanao Lake ay nananatiling malinis, ngunit ang patuloy na kaligtasan nito sa banta ng polusyon ay nakasalalay sa kamay ng ating mga mamamayan. Kaya naman, tulong-tulong tayo upang mapanatili ang kalinisan at kaligtasan ng lawa na hindi lamang nagbibigay ganda sa ating tanawin, ito rin ay nagbibigay ng buhay para sa atin. Ako po si Jel Miranda at ito ang ExperTalk Online.